And that's what it looks like. Bacon frying on there. Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you how to make this really easy, fantastic rocket stove. Stay tuned. To make this project, you're going to need to purchase a couple of items. First of all is this 3-inch pellet tee, it's called, with a trap. And this is for a pellet stove. And what's nice is it's got a clean out on the bottom. And that's great for emptying your ashes. The other thing you want to get is one of these storm collars. And it has a threaded portion here that you can tighten around it, just like you would a hose clamp. That's basically what it is. It's a section of hose clamp. And so you want to slide this on over top of this and make sure that it sets level. Once you've got this all level and your storm collar flat, you just simply take a screwdriver and tighten the storm collar up so that it fastens around and doesn't come loose. Just like that. Now we have a stable base. Now you can purchase this for about $50 for just the tee with the clean out. The storm collar is going to cost you a few dollars more. Most rocket stoves are much more expensive than that, and this one's made really, really well. It's going to last you a long time and has the added advantage of a clean out where you can just dump out the ashes after it cools down. So that's a pretty neat feature for a cheap rocket stove. As far as a burner top to go on this, we actually have several options that are relatively cheap and available. For a simple and inexpensive burner top, just use some of these metal skewers, and I have these left over from another project where I cut the ends off. And you can slide them in to this double wall portion here. They fit in pretty well. You do want to keep them sideways. So just try to keep them even and put them down in there. Just like that. And that'll give you enough place to put your pot or your cup on top, and also allow the flames to come out around your container. Another thing you could do if you have one of these portable gas cookers, you can find these for about 20 bucks at flea markets and yard sales, and you may run out of gas to actually use this stove, but you've got this burner arrangement like this. And this burner arrangement will actually fit fairly snug, but it snaps down right on top. And it's a little rattly, but it won't come off because it fits just right over top of that burner hole and gives you a really nice cooking surface for your stove. A third option is this Ozark Trail 2-burner propane stove. I had this for a long time. I've used it camping and various times, so I had to tape it up with duct tape because the box was falling apart. Inside, though, we have this burner here. Just a stainless steel piece of metal, and this is very good for using on the rocket stove. It also fits right on top and has a lip, so it's a little rattly, but it won't slide off, and it's sturdy enough that you can set a pretty good sized pan on top of it. Lighting it is pretty simple. Get some sticks ready, and of course I like using fat wood. You can go ahead and start that going. Alright, now it's going good. I had to turn it a little bit because of the wind. And we lay this down here with our wood, and then we feed it with some other sticks. So once the fire's going good and we've got a decent amount of wood stacked in here, I like to take some other sticks already prepared and put them down in here from the top like this. And once we get it burning really good, we can go ahead and stack some wood in here and just kind of keep that shoved on in there, and this is where we will feed it from. Now we're ready to do some cooking. And we've got our frying pan on there, got some bacon going, and it's doing a really good job. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And while you're down there, you'll also find our waypointsurvival.com link. And this is where you can take great survival and bushcraft training classes here at our training facility in Southern Ohio. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.